How did we get there?
That I don't know.
Because she's a child. Right?
I'm being too friendly with them.
You are going to be placed under arrest.
And this is going to be as
it's going to be a sex offense with them involving a minor.
Because I don't want to see them get taken advantage of.
Right.
It's January in Ocala, Florida, where one high school's assistant football coach is about to be taught a serious lesson.
All right, so why do you think you're here today?
My relationship with some of the girls.
Okay, what does that look like?
From the outside, you would think it's weird something going on, but I've been a coach in 5 years, and it's like they can confide in me as well as the boys.
Okay.
Like, excuse me, like it looks weird, but like they come to me with problems and just confide, and because I'm easy to talk to, and
sure.
The boys do it too, and I'm there for them basically.
How long have you been coaching out there?
This will be my 5th year.
5th year? Okay, yes. So you've been out there for a long time, seeing a lot of kids coming and going.
Yes.
Okay. And do you do that full time or do you do something else?
No, I work for the city of Ocala. I drive garbage trucks.
Okay. How long have you been doing that?
5 years, 5 years.
Okay.
Detectives identify the man seen here as 43-year-old James Ford III, who was arrested after a school resource officer was alerted about an alleged sexual relationship between him and a 16-year-old student.
Okay, so I know you said you believed you were here because of some inappropriate, possibly people think is inappropriate with the girls. Is there any girls in particular?
Yes, well, am I allowed to say the name? Because I don't want
to. Yeah, absolutely.
It's...
Okay. Kennedy, okay. And then are these girls, how do you, I mean, because I know you said football, do you guys have like a football, like a girls, like a flag football?
We have a girls flag football team.
Okay.
One of the girls plays flag, she also plays tackle football.
Oh, okay, wow.
Yeah, so it's like, it's just, I've been a father for like, I lost her father.
Okay.
And even her grandmother, I'm really close to her grandmother and all. She comes to me all the time to appreciate what me and some other coaches have done for her, been there, stuff, to be in that role. And like our previous head coach did ask, do she have to worry about that? And the other coach like, nah, it's like she lost her dad. He's like a real father figure to her. And it's just like outside looking in, you would think, because it's weird, because that's not my child. I have a son that goes.
Oh, okay.
And even the kids, some of the kids say that's Coach Ford's other bonus daughter. So it's like that.
And that's referring to. Okay. And how about?
She's a football player. She comes to me with her problems, and she just made a flyer for me for flag football. So like she calls me Unc, and all well as does call me Unc. They'll call me Unc. Okay. And like when they have problems, they'll come to me. We try to still on the right path. Now I talk to them and give it to them like they're all my kids.
Right.
So.
Yeah, because it's tough out here.
Yeah, so. And I don't want to sugarcoat nothing to be soft on them because I don't want to see them get taken advantage of. And
right.
So we do kind of talk, and so if some kids do hear us talking, it's kind of how I would talk to my own kids.
Okay. And then how about?
Same with Unc, that's same as that.
Same? Okay. Just kind of that father figure.
Well, no, her dad's in her life. I'm just like who she could come find in.
Okay.
Like if they have problems.
And then have these girls been at the school and then since you've been there, or did they come later on? What did that look like? Like have you had interaction with them for 4 years? Or
I met them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just at the actual school itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the boys are the same. Like I have one player, he says I'm more of a dad to him than his own dad.
Okay.
And so it's just like I'm mentoring basically. Well, I thought I was doing right, but
yeah. And I know like when you have teams and stuff, you have to keep in contact with your players and things like that. Do you communicate with these girls at all on, like a cell phone, or is it on an app or?
Nah, they'll text me, Coach Ford, I need or like their problems, or can I talk to them about this? Can I help them out with this or this and that, or stuff like that.
Okay.
James tells the detective he doesn't want the students to, quote, get taken advantage of, and says he's more of a father figure to some of the minors. But this detective isn't convinced.
So you have the team's contact numbers, they have yours, and there's just general conversation back and forth. Okay. At any point in time, has there ever been, and it's like, we know these, girls these days, is there any time when any of this conversation maybe went a little differently than it should, or something that might not be
No, ma'am, but if you was look at it and don't know the ends of it, you would think that they'll come hug me and be up under me and stuff like that. So it looks weird because the trainer said something, but it's not like that.
Okay. And then how about on the text, anything on that end that you've had to maybe shut down or
No,
nothing's popped up on their end or on your end?
Nope.
Okay, all right. So when would you say you started communicating with any of these girls over text, just about sports or whatever?
Okay, with the football team, we have everyone's number. So we have group text, and I have the text, hey, I need you to do this,
Okay.
ask what numbers they want, stuff like that.
Right.
And basically that's how it was. And then with the girls, I coach flag football, the girls.
Okay.
It's basically the girls basketball team, which most of them have my number also.
Okay.
And like they'll text me, coach, I'm sorry, I cut you off.
No, you're
They'll
fine.
text me like, coach, for when this flag starts, so I text them the schedule, practice starts this date or whatever like that.
Okay. And I know you said you felt like people at school maybe felt a different way. When did you get knowledge that something was maybe being said?
Well, last year coach asked, did he have to worry about, and I was going to say, no, it's fine.
Okay.
And the trainer, she was kind of skeptical too.
Now, James reveals that a trainer at the school had grown suspicious of him, but maintains his innocence for now.
Now, what about this week? What happened this week?
I don't know. I'm there. They come. They hug me, like normal, and that's it.
When did you find out something was going on this week with the school?
I got a call Tuesday.
Tuesday? Okay. Was that from
The new head coach.
the head coach? Okay. And how did that conversation
He
go?
just said, hey, they're doing an investigation with you and some of the girls. I'm like, what you mean? Like, I've been like this with, and just said they're doing an investigation.
Okay.
Like something was said, somebody went back and said they're not comfortable around me from something being said, but how we talk to them is like we're talking to our own kids. So I don't know if another
Right.
student probably heard it, thought it was inappropriate, and it wasn't comfortable, or one of the boys maybe liked the girls and saw it. I mean, I don't know.
Not sure. So I want to talk a little bit about, okay, so dealing with her. Is there any reason why she might think that you're something more than a coach to her?
Uncle maybe.
Just an uncle? Okay. And when you say uncle, what does that look like for her? Like, how do you feel like an uncle, or how would she feel like you're an uncle?
Like, she'll hug me, come from the side, hug me, and like if she have problems with boys or whatever, because they've called me plenty of times about trouble with boys. I don't want to see them get taken advantage of, or just out doing stuff. It is what it is, and you know, just getting taken advantage of. Okay. Basically.
Okay. Has there ever been anything on your end that would lead you to believe that you're acting as something other than a family member or a mentor, as you describe yourself?
Like for Christmas, I bought them all Christmas.
Okay.
Asked them what they wanted, cause I bought them what I didn't get them everything on the list what they wanted, but I told them that to be the person like her parents didn't want to go to her to a camp in Orlando.
Who's that? Okay.
I went with her to the football camp, talked to the coaches for them, in place of, stuff like that.
Okay. And have you ever sent any of them money? I know you said you bought gifts and things.
Yes. I mean, they'll call.
How about money-wise?
Yes, if they can borrow like have $10 for food, or $20 for this, or $50 for this, or for food basically.
Okay.
I'm like, yeah, I got you. I'll feed you, because that's what we do. I feed. I don't have no problem with feeding you. I don't want you to be hungry.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And how would that look? Like, did you give them cash, or was it through, like, Cash App?
Yeah,
okay.
I really carry cash on me.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think anybody does.
Yeah,
I don't even know the last time I even had cash on me. Okay. So like I said, I wanted to talk a little bit about, okay, because there's just some concerns that people have, okay?
I can see why.
Okay. And that's what I was just kind of trying to get from you. Why so much with more than anyone else? Why people would be concerned?
She the one, like, if I'm there, she'll come up and hug and stay around. I don't see her, so I go to the weight room.
Okay.
But yeah, she always comes up, hugs me, asks how I'm doing, we talk whatever, and if they're working out or whatever, she's gonna stop what she's doing, come hug me, and ask how I'm doing.
The 43-year-old's story starts to unravel as he details giving money and gifts to female students. The detective continues pressing James before this story takes a serious turn.
Has there ever been anything that someone would consider inappropriate that's happened between you and her?
Maybe how, like, we hug, like she'll hug, and I guess, like, from...
Any type of kissing or anything like that someone might see? Okay.
I guess how we talk to him, I guess, basically. Someone heard it.
Okay. That's why we're here. And like I said, Mr. Ford, I appreciate you speaking with me,
Oh, yes.
right? And when I talk with people, I always, I want to be honest because I'm always looking for honesty, right? And I know right now you're not quite being 100% honest with me.
I mean,
Talk to me. We're here for a reason.
I know.
We're
looks
both adults.
Like we never, I've never done nothing with her.
Okay. Now, when you say nothing, what does that mean?
No sexual stuff whatsoever.
Okay.
Hug and kiss on the cheek like I kiss all of them on the cheek. Like, hug, you all right? You good?
Mm-hmm.
That's that.
Okay. So you don't think there's going to be anything or evidence of anything any different?
As far as, we probably, probably text a little more. She'll ask how I'm doing, ask how she doing, act like I ask all of them. Yeah, you good? I check on them.
Okay.
Or whatever.
Do you ever let anyone else use your cell phone?
Oh yeah, I let kids have my phone all the time.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, and that's what I want to talk a little bit about.
Yes,
okay?
kids have my phone all the time.
Yep.
So.
Is your phone password protected?
It is, but once I get there, I open it, and because Coach Ford, I can use your phone. I
Okay.
use my phone.
Now, James admits to kissing students on the cheek and says he regularly lets students use his phone. Let's continue.
Okay. So, like when you're in school, you say you unlock your phone and you'll hand it to the kids to use. Okay. Is there any reason why maybe they might pretend to be you?
It's a few boys like it.
Mm-hmm.
And like they mentioned, like, dang, she always run Coach Ford. Why do all the girls always run Coach Ford?
Yeah. Do any of these kids ever take your phone home at nighttime?
No.
Okay. So that would be like a school hour, typical day text. Okay. So there's text messages at night between you and Kennedy.
Yes, ma'am. I'll take them. We text. Like I'll text all the girls.
Okay. We have to talk about that.
Okay, that's fine.
That's why we're here.
Okay.
I'm not trying to trip you up. None of that. Okay.
I'll be honest with you.
And I think you know where we're at.
Mm-hmm.
And I just want to know how did we get there?
That I don't know.
Because she's a child. Right?
I'm being too friendly with them.
Yeah.
I'm being too friendly. Like, I don't want to say it. Like, I help with grandmother consent. I help them pay for her to get an abortion. Like, stuff I shouldn't be doing. Like, I'm just too nice. And
Yeah, that's way too nice.
that's what I'm saying.
You'll put yourself in
Yes.
predicaments, and that's kind of
Where I'm
you've
at
gotten
now.
yourself into a predicament.
Yes. And I've never been in no trouble whatsoever with 43 years of sir.
Because I have all of the text
That's fine.
messages between you and starting from February of last year.
Okay.
You and I both know what's in those text
Oh, yeah.
messages.
Police said an interview with the alleged victim uncovered more disturbing details, including that the pair had been texting for about a year. But that's not all.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Stuff, yeah. Like, I've sent her songs and verses and,
Okay.
yeah.
And what else?
Just, like, I've never sent no pictures. Well, I mean, no.
Well, you have.
Like my birthday stuff and like I sent all
Sure.
the kids, stuff
Yeah.
like that, but nothing explicit.
Okay.
So, excuse me. Yeah.
No, that's okay. Take your time. If you need to take a drink, you can.
Oh, I'm good, right.
Okay. What about the sexually explicit conversations between
Oh,
you?
with song verses, that I shouldn't have, yeah.
They're not all song
What song
verses. Listen, I know some songs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And they're not all song verses,
Yes.
are they?
Not all of them.
Okay. So talking about, wanting to taste her and
Well, that was a song verse of Trick Daddy. So,
okay.
and she replied with a no, but I can, yeah, I just started laughing. But yes, I shouldn't have said some of the stuff I'm saying. Like, even at the school, I shouldn't be saying some of the stuff I be saying because I'm just so comfortable around them.
Yeah.
And just,
And what about because I think you've developed some feelings for her, is what it looks like
it's like I said, from the outside
in
in.
the text,
From the
right?
outside in. From looking at
You'll
outside.
obey, you're gonna take care of her. She's your baby girl.
Oh, yeah, I call all of my baby girls. Like, I'm a baby girl. That one's a baby girl. It's just something I say.
Okay. I wanted to talk to you about an incident that occurred at outside of the Waffle House. You know what I'm talking about? What can you tell me about that?
She told me where she was. I went out to make sure she was okay.
Okay.
It was her birthday.
You heard that right. James admits to meeting up with the student, who told police they had met in person at least twice before his arrest.
And she was just talking about all the problems. And I said, "You good? Okay?" And whatever. We talked for a little bit, and she left. Then when she got home, I said, "Are you good? You okay? Do you want to finish this tomorrow?" She said, "No."
Okay. So during that text message, can you take yourself back to that text message to where you eventually, y'all met up. You ended up driving to the Waffle House after telling her to go to the Waffle House. Was
No,
that
she
right?
told, well, I think, yeah.
Okay. So I think you were at the Wawa, and then she was somewhere else. So y'all probably like just left school or something like that. A game maybe?
No, it was a birthday dinner.
A birthday dinner? Okay. So where was she at the Waffle House? Like,
She was parked.
Once y'all met?
Oh, she was parked by the sign.
Okay. Did she stay in her car or something?
No, we got out and
different? Okay. Did she get into your truck?
Well, no, she opened the door and there, like, opened the door
Okay.
and sat in like this, got out, came around, talked, gave her a hug, and
Okay. Mr. Ford, I'm asking you to be honest.
I'm being honest. I mean, we didn't do anything.
Did she offer to do something to you?
She, and not until that, saying it, but she didn't just come out and say whatever, but you can tell, like, you know how to read between the lines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at that time in that incident, okay, did she perform oral sex on you?
She tried. She almost did.
She almost did? What does that look like? Walk me through that.
She said, okay, let me start it, and no.
Okay. So would know, like, did the act begin and then it was...
It started to begin, but then I had to, because I'm like, you're a child.
You stopped it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And is that, would you say that's the only sexual conduct that
yes.
you had with her?
Yes.
Okay. And then, I know we had talked a little bit before about, was there some kissing and stuff? Maybe one time, like in the locker room?
No.
Something happened with...
Locker room?
Locker
We're never alone with those girls in the locker rooms.
Okay.
There's always a coach there there's always somebody there.
The student also allegedly told investigators the two had kissed in that same locker room, where James says staff is never alone with the girls. Next, the 43-year-old has some questions for the detective.
How can I know where this is going with am I going to get booked for?
You are going to be placed under arrest.
And this is going to be for...
It's going to be a sex offense involving a minor.
It's a minor, so I have to register and all that now.
But it's going to depend on where it all goes.
Now,
but potentially, yes, sir. Yeah, I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah, that's fine. When I lose my job, like, I'm going to be booked all weekend, right?
So you'll go in, you'll have a no bond because it's a no bond initially. But when you see the judge in the morning at first appearance, the judge will give you a bond at that time.
Moments later, James appears to show concern for one person's opinion of his alleged crime, his mother's.
I don't know if you have. Go ahead.
Well, no, my mother, yeah, she will. Now, will y'all release all this information to her, or is something I would tell her?
I think you should tell her.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going to tell your mom.
No,
you're an adult.
Yeah.
So you got it. Your business is your business,
Yes.
right? It's not for me to tell, it's not like you're a child and I'm going to report to
No,
your
these
mom.
girls get in any kind of trouble, any kind of way.
What do you think they should get in trouble for? Talk to me about that.
Basically being inappropriate with me
Okay.
and being too close.
No, you're a dad, right?
That's the bad thing.
You're a dad.
Yes.
So let me ask you this. You said you have a son, and he's same age?
17.
17? So let's role reverse.
I would,
okay?
yes.
And I just want you to kind of see it from a different point of view. Would you want your son? Do you think that your son should be held accountable for behaviors when there's an adult that clearly had a lapse of judgment as an adult and in my eyes took advantage of a child?
I see what you're saying.
Right? So would it be fair for them to get into trouble?
I mean, no, not really.
Or should have Mr. Ford said, this isn't right.
This isn't right.
I shouldn't do this.
Yeah.
Right? You're a mentor. You told me you're a mentor for kids.
Yep.
That's why I'm just wondering what happened. I mean, nice young man, you got a good job.
And that's what I'm afraid of, losing
There's
everything.
a lot of women out here.
Yeah, but that's what I'm afraid of, losing everything.
Yeah.
Which could possibly be what might happen. My
Potentially,
job.
yeah. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's not a good situation to be in.
Yeah, it's not with kids.
No.
And I've been coaching at this for years.
Yeah. So I know we have your, I'm going to end up writing a search warrant on your cell phone. Okay. Am I going to find anything else with
No.
any other juveniles, minors?
No.
Nothing else like that is
No.
going to be anywhere?
I can go ahead and search it now. No.
Okay. All right. So you want to give consent to search your phone?
My consent means I'm telling you to, but if not, you have a.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to sign a consent form, we'll get you signed the consent form and we can do that. If not, we just write a search warrant on it and go from there.
And that'll take how long?
It depends. It depends on how much data is on your phone. Right now, it'll be seized as evidence anyway.
So
So,
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No,
No question. So if I get found out tomorrow, I'm not able to take my phone.
no, sir. No.
Now how would? Yeah, I kind of. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, and we'll do this. I'll just write a search warrant on it. That way, it's easier. It's we'll get it knocked out that way, because it will be held pending the case because it's evidentiary, so we can't get rid of it. Because like I said, those text messages obviously were coming from your cell phone.
From me,
Yeah, from you to her. So that's just part of the case, and that's kind of where we're at right now. Okay. Okay. You need anything right now?
Excuse me. I'm out.
You're good. Okay.
No question. I'm able to call my mother, or do I get a call? Or?
Yeah, you can call your mom. And if you want, I'll bring my phone in, put it on speakerphone, and you can call mom here. It's up to you. Or you can call her at the jail.
I mean, am I able to call her at both places?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll let you call. Think about it.
Oh yeah. Well, I want to call her, but I want to talk and
Sure.
over the phone. Tell her.
Understandably.
I do want to call her.
I'd want to talk to my mom too, so.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I would love to call her.
Okay. All right, I'll be right back.
James was reportedly fired from his position shortly after his arrest and banned from campus. The detective gives the suspect some time alone before returning to reveal his fate.
I'm honest with you, and I want you to be honest with
yes.
me. You know, where we're at, and unfortunately, this is
Where is that?
where it's at. Yeah. So hopefully,
Now I have a question. Like,
Yeah.
I want to get booked. Now, do I register? I'm having to register as a.
So that would be after, like, if there's any type of conviction or something like
That's my
that.
court date.
Could it potentially? Well, that would be like at the end when it's
What you
over.
mean at the end? I'm sorry. What
No,
you mean
no, that's okay. So when the case commences, so when the case
When
ends,
it's over.
when it's over. So whether the state decides to move forward, file the charges, depending on if they offer you a plea deal, if you decide you want to have your day in trial, you take it to trial.
Oh.
At the very end
Like I see on TV.
is when they would decide, are you going to be a registered
So what are my
sex
charges?
offender?
What are they called?
So you're going to be charged with unlawful sexual activity with a minor.
Mhm.
Okay. You're going to be charged with the authoritative figure because you were in an authoritative figure role as a coach at the school. You're also going to be charged with travel to meet a minor for sex.
Oh, that's going to be on mugshot?
It's going to be listed on your charges. Yes.
Y'all
sir.
so much. Wow.
And then
That's-
misuse of the two-way communication device to facilitate a felony.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is a felony?
They're all felonies.
They're all. Damn, y'all might lose my job. Well, I mean, I ain't like I'm not gonna work. Like she's my mother's not. I'm not worried about that.
Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, just based off of everything we have in the phone, the statements, the sexual conduct
Yeah, that's.
and activity with each other, it's, so that's where we are. Okay.
Yeah, I think.
James was booked for unlawful sexual activity with a minor, offenses against students by an authority figure, traveling to meet a minor for illegal sexual conduct, and unlawful use of a two-way communication device to facilitate a felony. Court records show prosecutors later dropped the communication charge, while James pleaded not guilty to the remaining charges. He's expected back in court this fall.
Don't know how this happened, but we're here now. Like I said, just gotta pray and
Yeah.
first offense, and this is what it is. I would rather be having a dope charge.
Yeah. And kids, I know. Yeah. Yeah. It's not a fun thing, I'll tell you.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Mr. Ford, let me get that paperwork
ma'am.
done
Thank
so we
you
can
so-
get you out of here,
Thank
okay?
you so much.
Yes, sir.
to
I don't
speak
feel
to?
comfortable talking without my attorney present.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. I don't have a phone. It got destroyed, actually. I lost it today and got run over. My husband's here with my kids.
Okay.
It's just before midnight in Ocean County, New Jersey, where, get this, police are about to confront a special education teacher accused of having an inappropriate relationship with one of her students.
Good evening.
Yes.
Detective Hernandez, Rio Borough Police Department. Is Allison home?
Yes.
May I speak with her, please? Now we'll talk to her out here. Thank you.
Hello.
Hey, Michelle. How you doing?
Hi.
Detective Hernandez, Rio Borough Police Department. Detective Correa, Detective Hobbs. You know why we're here? No? Any idea? You want to move away from the house to
I don't
speak
feel
to?
comfortable talking without my attorney present.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
We have a warrant for your arrest, so we're gonna take you in. Is there anything on you that you want to leave with your family?
No, my glasses come with me. Do I have medication that I need to bring with me?
If you take medication,
I
I
do.
will highly suggest for you to have someone get it for you. Okay, just give me a second.
Police identify the woman seen here as 43-year-old Allison Havman Needrach, a teacher at an intermediate school in nearby Freehold Township. Listen closely to her answer as detectives ask if she wants to bring her phone.
I don't have a phone. It got destroyed, actually. I lost it today and got run over.
Okay. Just have them bring the medicine.
Okay.
Here, I gotta put you under cuffs, though.
Okay.
All right?
Joints are very fragile.
I'm not gonna hurt you in any shape or form. This is gonna go on gently. Right? Still good?
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me a second.
My husband's here with my kids.
Okay. Thank you, and I see your parents there.
Yeah, my parents are here. They're fine. My kids are safe.
All right. Do me a favor. Go like this.
I do have a lot of medical issues. I'm sorry.
Okay. No problem.
What does she need?
Medication?
Alright, let's we'll have them get it.
Yeah.
They know
My
where it is,
husband
right?
can get it.
Yeah.
Can you let her know?
Can you get my antibiotics and my...
According to the Monmouth County prosecutor, the alleged sexual relationship began earlier this year. Prosecutors didn't reveal the age of the alleged victim, but the school where Allison was employed has students in grades 6th through 8th. Other reports indicate Allison had sent thousands of text messages to the alleged victim with her now, quote, destroyed phone.
Sorry, my mom had strokes recently.
Okay. No problem.
I'm my parents' caretaker.
Okay.
Where is she going now?
She's gonna come back to the Freehold Borough Police.
She's going to her police station in Freehold. Yes. Do you know their numbers?
Our parents?
Yeah.
Everything? Yeah.
Okay.
And they have my attorney's number now.
Okay.
Should I
Yeah.
keep that with me as well, or?
If you don't know
I
by
don't know
heart,
it. I don't know my attorney's phone number.
yeah, I would highly recommend for you to get it because that way you
I
have
have a
that
piece
piece
of-
of paper.
We'll get it.
Yeah.
Where's it at? Where's the paper?
It's, if you want my husband to get it, he knows where it is.
Yeah. Just tell him what to get. Go ahead, sir. No, you can come out.
Sir. Could we combine one of them?
Allison and her husband worked to get her medication squared away before the 43-year-old is hauled off to jail.
So
I lied.
you
You can't combine those.
Okay.
Sorry. And then,
How much is that? Okay.
I need the red paper that's taped to the cabinet that has my attorney's name and Pastor name, please. Do you have, I take every day for my heart. Do you want
We
that
can
as
throw
well?
that in one of them, right?
No, I don't,
That's-
I don't want to combine meds.
So
So separate container? Can
yeah.
you get the baby aspirin as well? Thank you. She just wants to.
Go to Freehold and then what?
We're gonna talk to the attorneys and stuff like that, and the Monmouth County prosecutors, and see what happens. We don't make the
next step
decision.
is.
Yeah.
And if they're talking, I can't hear you.
Okay.
Sorry.
So about how long like would she stay in Freehold?
Excuse me, ma'am?
She's gonna
About how long?
We don't know. It's because of bail reform. We don't make that decision
definitely
anymore.
overnight.
Excuse me?
Definitely overnight.
Yeah.
Allison, where's the red paper?
Look at the cabinet where you just got the meds. There's 2 white pieces of paper with red crayon writing. Look straight ahead. Taped.
Al?
Nope,
Get my oxygen, please.
it's not that. I know.
You
Mom-
okay?
No.
Are you
no,
okay?
She's on full-time
Well,
oxygen.
I was in bed. I'm on oxygen all night long.
I've been
Okay.
take her for-
Okay.
since she's had school.
Are you little? Do you need
Yeah.
medical attention?
No.
No,
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this it?
Yes, that's right. That's my pastor and my.
Okay. Is there anything else that you want to
That's
take? Okay. And you know the numbers if you
My
need to
parents
call them?
and my husband, yes.
Okay. Excellent. All right. So we're going to get going, okay? Like I said, we're going to process her. We don't make the decision because of bail reform. We only
You want to call her?
text the Hernandez batch 101,
Let her know.
and you guys can,
Yeah, we saw it.
She's going to Freehold. Wait a minute. What?
I didn't need to write down his number. I know his number.
Thank you. So
Eric,
she's.
she'll call you later, okay?
yeah, we'll let her make a call or two before.
One officer stays behind to talk to Allison's parents, while another escorts the suspect to a patrol car.
Come this way, man.
Okay.
Which side?
Oh, you know we don't have.
Oh, we need. Okay, sorry.
I got. Yeah, I'll stay with her here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you for not scaring my children.
They home?
They're in the,
Yeah.
well, they're in the basement. They're trying to go to sleep.
Okay.
I just put them to bed there. We just got back from dinner.
I'm just glad you weren't in bed sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank God.
How many children do you have?
Just 2.
2?
Did you catch that? Allison reveals she has 2 children herself and thanked the officer for not, quote, scaring them. Let's take another listen.
Thank you for not scaring my children.
They home?
They're in the,
Yeah.
well, they're in the basement. They're trying to go to sleep.
Okay.
I just put them to bed there. We just got back from dinner.
I'm just glad you weren't in bed sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank God.
How many children do you have?
Just
2?
2.
Okay.
Do you have anything sharp on you or anything like that? Because I'm going to pass you down
No,
before
just my glasses in my pocket.
Okay, do you mind if I just go into your
No,
pocket?
you're fine.
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay. What's this side?
You're on the other side.
Okay. Yep. I don't know if you can see. It's good.
Oh, I can't see.
Yeah.
See anything back here.
This one?
Thank you, sir.
Hands underneath like this.
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
As long as you're comfortable. If you want to put them on top of this one,
On top like that.
you good?
Where is the... I can't see anything. Does it connect to one of these?
Is there anything in the middle?
No, it's like the straps that come. Can I have that, please?
Sure.
I'm sorry, man. Can you just scoot up? I can't see anything.
Can you go all the way across?
Yeah, whatever you
No,
need.
no, not you.
Oh,
No.
oh.
No? No, that's not going to
You
work.
want me to move the other side?
Sure.
No, because then we're going to need something in the middle.
Does it go into that at all? Here, give me that. Give me that blue one.
You guys got it?
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out. Here, watch your glasses there. Give me that blue one. There's a spot right here.
Just watch your arm.
Good.
There you go.
You okay?
Is that alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just I try not to get things on my scar. Just
Yeah. Yeah, you got your hands in front. If you want to just maybe hold it down like that. Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Once at the jail, Allison remains tight-lipped.
To make sure the seatbelt.
Yep. You good? Alright. Just step out, please. It's a little tight because the door won't go any further, but just come this way. Thank you. And that way. Straight forward. And to that right and that door. Let me get the warrant. Huh? Oh, they have it.
What's that?
They have. They part. Just we're gonna stay on. Okay.
Allison is facing charges of first-degree aggravated sexual assault and second-degree endangering the welfare of a child. The 43-year-old has since reportedly been released from jail and is under house arrest with strict no-contact orders with minors outside of her home. At last check, Allison remains awaiting trial for the charges.
It's embarrassing. I'm a teacher. And
No one's gonna see you.
I'll work with you, Becky. No, I'm seriously, like, you're like a junior cop, like, asking me to do this. Like, come on. I hope you guys are okay arresting the teachers of the Youth America.
Let's talk to your supervisor.
I will
need
once
to
we get
this
this done.
worked out.
Yep.
It is a cold January evening in Lake Forest, Illinois, where one suspected drunk driver is about to learn a valuable lesson.
Hello. Hi, Officer Cordova, Lake Forest Police Department. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm actually concerned you pulled me over because I'm doing the speed limit.
Okay. So the reason I stopped you, you almost went through that red light at Deer Path and Golf. And then while I was following you, your driver's side tires crossed over the solid yellow line in the middle there. That splits the lane. Can I have your driver's license and insurance, please?
Absolutely.
Is everything okay today?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm actually like very concerned.
Why is that?
Because I know
Okay. Well, I'm not pulling you over for speed.
you have my license. I'm getting my insurance. Can you give me a minute?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
I'm not rushing you. Where are you coming from today?
My son's basketball team.
Where is that at?
No.
That's where you're coming from? Okay. Have you been drinking today?
No.
Okay.
Please. Take the license. I'm not speeding. You know I'm not.
Well, I'm not stopping you for speed.
I get that. Like, there's no reason people don't.
Well, I told you the reason why I stopped you. Can I have it? Thank you. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What was that?
You have my insurance.
Yeah. I am looking at it right now. Is everything okay?
Yes, you know that. You have my card. You have my insurance.
Well, why are you... I'm just looking at your insurance. Why are you yelling at me?
Because you are a police officer pulling me over to look at the my face and tell me you're not, like, trying to get in my face. Like, you have my stuff. Thank you.
Police identify the suspect as 46-year-old Becky Miranda, a second-grade teacher who may have miscalculated how many drinks she could have before driving. Moments later, another officer arrives when we get a better look at the suspect.
I'm not going to do this on this road.
Okay, so
This is
you will submit to
inappropriate.
standardized to some testing if we move to the next road.
Absolutely.
Okay,
I'm not doing this on this road. This
I'll
is
work with you, Becky.
inappropriate.
Listen to me. I'll work with you, but we can't let you drive your car to that road then. Or would you prefer we could do this at the station? That way no one
No,
sees.
seriously, please. This is inappropriate. You shouldn't have pulled me over. I was driving the speed limit.
Okay, Becky,
Like, this is inappropriate.
I don't know how many times I have to repeat myself. You weren't pulled over for speeding, you were pulled over for a lane violation, where you went over the double solid yellow lines, okay? Almost going into oncoming traffic. That's why this officer pulled you over.
Becky, can you do me a favor and step out so we can do this out here?
No,
So we have the lane blocked off.
The sooner we get this done,
on this road.
It's on the side of the road, not to get hit. Is there a reason why you don't want to do it here?
Yes, it's embarrassing. I'm a teacher.
No one's gonna see you.
Doing that.
Becky, no one's watching.
Am I going into your car?
No, you're gonna step out
No,
here.
my car is gonna block the view of you even
I'm
doing.
not. Tell me what you want me to do.
Well, I would like for you to step out the car. We're gonna be behind your car. I have my car blocking our view. No one can see. No one's gonna be able to see. And I want to check your eyes and just put you through two other fields after that.
Please. I can't do this. I'm a teacher in the community. Can you put me someplace else?
Becky.
I can't do this.
Okay, would you like to come to the station then?
No, I'm not going to the station.
All right, so this is your only option is to do this here. So please step out of the car so you can do this.
Becky eventually agrees to take some field sobriety tests. Let's see how that goes.
All right, I'll have you step. Where are you going? I'll have you step right here. Step right here. Facing me.
I'm a teacher in the
I understand that.
You can't
But listen,
do this to me.
I see you have glossy eyes.
No, I'm not.
Okay, Becky, listen, the
let's
sooner
go.
we put you through these
Can you
fields,
stand
the
right here
sooner we can
and
move
face me?
forward, okay?
You can just face me. Look, it's away from the traffic, okay? No one can see you, okay? Alright, so be honest with you, how many drinks do you have tonight?
No, like what?
One? What is it, like martini? Is it a beer?
One wine.
Glass of wine? Okay. Well, thanks for being honest with me, okay?
Becky admits to having, quote, one wine, but for her students' sake, let's hope she's not a math teacher.
Okay. Yeah, we'll step on this line here. You can step to your right.
This is embarrassing.
No one's gonna see you. Can you please step on that line, please? Thank you. Okay. Now I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna demonstrate for you.
Okay,
Okay.
then I'm gonna
But you can stay in the position. Stay in the position until I tell you to begin.
Stay in the position.
Please.
Okay.
Yes. So you're gonna put your right foot in front of your left foot. You can put your right foot.
got it.
You can put your right
Are we
foot.
going?
No, you can put your right foot in front of your left foot. All right, you can stay in that position until I tell you to begin. Okay. All right. So when I tell you to begin, it's gonna look like this. All right.
Got it.
1, 2, 3. You're gonna turn around. You do small series of steps. You're gonna count 9 heel toe steps back. 1, 2, 3.
3 or 9.
I'm counting to 3. You're gonna count to 9.
Okay, 1.
Hold on. All right. As you're walking, keep your. You can get back in position, please.
Yep.
As you're walking, keep your arms down at your sides at all times. Watch your feet and count your steps out loud.
1.
Once you start walking, I didn't tell you to begin. Once you start walking, don't stop until you complete the test.
1.
Do you understand?
So I'm doing 9 forward and 9 back.
Yes.
1.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay. You can get back in position and start.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Yeah, so turn around and do 9 steps back.
To do 10.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. You keep going until I tell you to stop.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay?
Yep.
1016, 1017,
Oh, you can stop.
1018,
You can stop.
1019.
All right. So now that I asked if you want to provide a breath sample with our PVT, are you willing to provide a breath sample?
No, I'm not.
No?
I passed your test.
Okay. Is that a no? You don't want to do it at all?
No.
Okay. All right. We'll go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
No. I'll submit.
You will? Okay.
Seriously, guys, come on! I'm a teacher in the area. I passed your test. Give me a break. Okay. Like, come on! Do you really want to be like this?
Okay, so you're gonna blow in it like you're blowing up an air balloon. Okay. Take a big deep breath and you're gonna blow into it.
Okay, ready? Big deep breath and keep blowing until I tell you to stop, okay?
What was that?
I clicked the button on accident. Turn this back on. I turned it off.
I passed your test. Like, please.
Go ahead. So
Ready?
Please.
I understand. Please.
No, I'm seriously, like, you're like a junior cop, like, asking me to do this. Like, come on.
Becky, take a deep breath in. Becky. Becky, we're almost done, okay?
No!
You want to do it?
You said you were going to do it, so you're changing your mind. I just need you to do one big blow.
No, they're taking me to the station if I say no.
No, we're not. That's not true. You can say no.
That doesn't dictate it.
Then I'm saying no. I said that to them. I said no.
You're going to be under arrest.
Okay.
They're arresting me if I say
We're
no.
not.
That's not.
That's not.
That doesn't dictate if you're going to be under arrest or not. It's just completely optional if you want to do this or not.
Is that what you said?
What?
Did you say that? No.
No, I didn't say that.
See? Oh, well, that's what she said.
No, I told you.
I'm asking
a question.
Can you please back up? Listen, Becky.
I'm not. Like,
Let me talk to you for a second. Becky.
Like, seriously, can I just go home?
Listen, Becky. This is
I
optional.
passed your test.
You showed signs of
No, I
consumption,
didn't.
and if
You
you're
weren't
going to
even
alcohol.
you weren't even here.
I was watching from a distance.
No.
I did. You don't have to do it. Let
I
me tell
said no.
you. You showed multiple clues that
All
you're
right, put it away.
intoxicated and under the.
We're not doing this.
All right,
Well,
put your hands
we are
behind your
doing
back.
this. You're under arrest.
You're under arrest. Hey, put your hands behind your back.
They're
Becky.
arresting me if I don't do this.
That doesn't dictate it.
That's not why we're.
I got it.
No, then no. No.
No,
Arrested. Do not resist
hands
being
on your back.
arrested. Okay.
Okay. I will blow. I'm not doing this.
Okay. We'll give you another chance at the station. Okay. Great.
Here, can you face that way, please?
You'll have another chance at the
I
station.
can't
Okay.
do this. They're arresting me. I can't have this on my record. I'm a teacher. Like, give me a.
So you'll have another chance to blow.
Can you separate your hands, please?
Okay?
We need to
you
put the
please?
cuffs on perfect.
No.
Thank you.
I said yes, and they're still doing this. Can you please tell them?
3 or 4, 1 in custody.
Can you please just work with us? Like,
We've been working with you.
No.
You're going back to the station. It's been decided.
Can you please help me?
You got it?
Yeah. Try it. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Listen.
Yep. It's okay. You got really small wrists. So.
Police add a pair of handcuffs and lead the suspect to a patrol car.
So let's get Ernie's coming. Yeah.
You got it.
Go. Central from through. Just
I need you to search as well. Let's go left my car. To left my car. This way.
No, can you please
I'm
stop?
gonna come to the station with you, okay?
You can talk to him when we go back to the station. Okay?
This is inappropriate.
What's inappropriate?
What do I do in the car?
I do it here. Can you step
No,
one talk to the right?
to the left.
To the right, please. So give me in front of the camera.
Give me a break. Are you serious?
What do you mean?
Can you bring me to the left to your car? I don't need
We
to be
will
on your
after
camera.
you get searched.
Okay, love.
Oh my God.
Can't do anything about it right now, okay? Just don't resist arrest. Let's just go and we'll figure it out.
Yeah, this is inappropriate.
There's nothing we can do about it now. Let's just go to the station, okay?
What do you have in the car that you need? You have your purse in the car? Is your purse in the car?
Yes.
Okay. She's good.
Good?
Yeah, I'll do another.
Yes, seriously.
She doesn't have anything on.
Okay. I will go left my car.
Like you said, if you need anything at home, you gotta take your kids are at home. I gotta go.
Do not tell our children.
Well, you have
You want to take a seat, please?
Okay, so you have to come to the station. Yeah, right by Deer Path.
Becky?
You know where it is? Okay. Yeah.
What about my purse?
What?
We'll get it
Get
for
my
you.
purse from my car.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll get it for you.
Did I get the purse? Well, we'll get it and we'll hand it to you. Thank you. Anything else in the car?
You need anything else in the car?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good here. Go ahead.
Next, Becky is taken to the police station where she gets a feel for what detention is like. Let's see how she handles that.
So we're going to give you 20 minutes to think about that, okay?
So what happens for if you submit and let's just work with each other, okay? Like do I have to go to school? Do I have to go to court?
So yeah, you'll have to go to court.
Pay bills? Like what do we?
You'll have to go to court. As far as like,
Are we getting written up in the newspaper?
no, you're not going to
Please,
be. You're not going to be in the blotter. So I wouldn't worry about that. You're going to be released tonight. You're going to have to go to court. Listen, you're getting charged today. Whether you get convicted at court, that's a whole nother story. That's really up to the judge. You'll have to talk to your attorney about all of this and see what the judge decides at court, okay? So, do you want to sign this? You'll get a copy of it. It's like a receipt. By signing, you're not admitting to any guilt.
What am I signing for?
Basically, you're just
appropriate.
by you
I'm
signing.
literally going home to my house after my son's basketball game. Like, come on. Like, seriously, people, there are so many criminals doing so many bad things. I'm a teacher.
I understand.
Like, doing nothing besides going to my son's basketball game, and you guys are literally arresting me. Like, come on. Like, do you guys literally think this is what you guys want to do in your lives? Arrest moms who are going to their kids' games, having fun with their friends, and come on, this is so inappropriate.
Becky, by you signing this, it's just acknowledging that Officer Cordova read this to you, and then you can get your copy.
I know. Cordova has no clue what he's doing.
He doesn't
He's
know.
like a 22-year-old, doesn't even know what he's doing. This is so inappropriate.
Okay, well, you don't have to sign now. We can
that's
take
fine.
a 20-minute observation. I'll
so
get the paper for you.
inappropriate.
Just make sure you write down whatever time you're starting.
I hope you guys are okay arresting the teachers of the Youth America that I have to go into my classroom
Turn it
tomorrow and
over
teach it. Hope you're good with that.
Next, the tables turn on the teacher when she doesn't exactly ace those field sobriety tests.
Seriously, people, are we seriously, arresting the moms of Lake Forest?
Yeah, it doesn't matter who you are. Drinking and driving isn't acceptable.
Really? Do you guys really think I'm drinking and driving? You guys gave me the test, and I passed your test, and you guys know it. I passed your test. I did my toe to heel.
304.
I did my eye test. That test was worse than my eye test that I had last week. You guys know it. I passed your test. So, like, you really, after your test, do you really think that I should be here? Yes. Why?
I told you, do the test.
But you tell me what I didn't pass in your test.
It's not a pass or fail.
It's not a pass or fail.
It's you showed signs of impairment.
Except I passed your test.
You don't pass or fail.
And you said I could have driven home after I passed your test. So if you were okay to do so. Well,
Once we
so
determine,
what didn't I pass?
Once you determine if you're good to drive or not, if you're good to drive, then we'll let you drive. But if you're not, then you're not going to drive.
But I passed your heel toe. I passed your eye test.
It's not a pass or fail.
Okay, so what you're saying is you gave me the test and it's you failed.
I told you it's not a pass or fail. It
Right,
shows signs of
because-
impairment or not.
No, so what did I show in signs of impairment?
In your eyes?
Okay, so
the
why
walk
did
and
you give me
turn?
the test?
What?
Why'd you give me the test?
If you're good to drive or not.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that I feel like I passed your test, so what did I do to fail your test?
I just told you showed signs of impairment
Yeah,
with your
so you're
eyes,
not
walk
gonna
and
tell me.
turn.
You're not going to tell me what I did to fail your test.
You know it's not a pass or fail.
Yeah, right. So you're just saying, we're giving you the test and saying you failed.
Becky, do you think you want to blow or not? Because I'm not going to continue asking you because we want to get through our paperwork and get you out of here. So the sooner you make a decision, like I said before, if you do blow and it's triple zeros, like I think you've been drinking.
No one's going to blow triple
you're-
zeros. Give me a break.
People who are sober do. So if
Give
you
me a
were
break.
to blow,
Come on.
Okay.
The officers continue trying to reason with Becky when she finally decides to answer the question.
Okay, let's go. Let's blow.
Okay, then we're gonna take you to Lake Bluff so you
Oh.
can. I know, but listen. That's why
Right in the cop car with arrest. Get the cuffs on. Okay. Okay. Well,
Let's get another 20 up there.
Yeah.
where are we at here? No lawyer. I can't bring my lawyer in to be like, we're not.
Well, it's completely up to you.
It's
Do you want to do it
We're
or
not
not?
forcing you. I don't want to waste my time or your time driving you there, and then you're like, oh, I don't want to blow anymore. So make your decision now.
I'm not giving you a suspended license for a year.
Okay, then-
Give me a break. No one's doing that.
So then, what are you saying you want to do?
Well, I guess I have to go to Lake Bluff.
If you want to do, okay.
No, I don't want to go to Lake Bluff.
Okay.
Okay, can I call my husband? Can I figure out what's going on? Where's my car on the side of the road?
You want to give your husband a call right now?
Can I please not have my car on the side of the road? Can I please?
Your car was towed.
Oh my God! Where's my car?
It's towed by Ernie's, so it's in. Okay.
Well, leave that off. You can't put it on.
You can't put that stuff on. Just leave it all there.
So when am I coming back for this?
Right after you blow, we're taking you back here.
So wait, when am I getting my car?
You're gonna have to get your car tomorrow.
So
I
just
hope
to, just
you
to
guys
confirm.
are good. Like, I'm a second grade teacher. Like, are you guys
Okay,
serious?
so just to confirm.
I'm going to like Uber to my job, getting dropped off. Like, this is insane. This is insane.
Okay, so just to confirm, you want to blow and go to Lake Bluff?
Well, what am I gonna do? Have a suspended license for a
You
year?
can say yes or no.
Come on, guys. Do I need to call my lawyer now? Are you guys being real with me?
We're being real with you. The option's yours. You're more than welcome to make a phone call right now.
And then what? Have a suspended license for a year?
And then if you want to go to Lake Bluff to go blow.
Officers take Becky to the other police station, where the teacher prepares to take another test.
As I sit in the police station, I'm such a great role model for my daughter.
Your DD. When
She gave me my DD. It's great. Totally. Yeah,
She'll be driving.
hire the Uber.
She'll be driving you around now.
Yeah. So great.
Soon enough, officers are ready for the breathalyzer exam, but not before Becky decides to deliver police a pop quiz.
Okay. So what's happening here? If I blow under, whatever. If I blow over, what's happening?
If you blow under, we'll notate that, and then for your license, it'll be suspended for 6 months. If I blow under? No, I mean if you're just blowing, sorry. If you're just blowing. If you blow under, it's still 6 months.
Why? If I blow under, that's
Because
like
it just still shows
inappropriate.
Consumed
Well, then you still gotta
alcohol.
go to court for that. They'll know.
So,
It's not-
okay,
it's
so
not-
then maybe they can say like whatever.
Yeah.
They can blow under,
say whatever they
like,
want, but
you're in the clear. I mean, like, come on, like, you're allowed to like have a drink and drive home.
Okay, I understand. So, do you want to step up?
Okay, so no, let's go through that. Like, I'm not dumb here. This is not my first rodeo.
We brought you here because you said you were gonna.
I will.
Okay.
I'm saying if I blow under, what's up? If I blow over, what's up? Like, give me the
It's
deal.
still the same. You're still gonna get the same charge.
Okay, so if I blow under, you still get the charge, but maybe you go to the judge and they say, oh, they
Yes,
blew
they will
under.
know, yes.
If you blow over, you're going to the judge and then they do whatever they're gonna
It's
do.
up to the judge. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay. So take a deep breath. I have to hold it. You can't hold it. Okay. Take a deep breath in.
Where is it gonna register?
It'll show up on there. Okay. So what you have to do is take a deep breath in, blow out into the tube. Okay. Do not stop until I tell you to. Okay.
Okay.
Take a deep breath. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're doing great. Keep going, keep going. Perfect. Let's see.
I don't see anyone usually get out there for sure.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, because they're all drunk. Where is it?
It's taking its time. It's evaluating.
seconds.
Right.
And we'll give you your receipt too, okay? Okay, so you're 0.14. 0.141, so that's over. That's almost double the legal limit, okay? And some time.
You heard that right. The officer said Becky allegedly blew a .14, nearly twice the legal limit to drive. Police take Becky back to the other police station, where picture day has come early for the elementary teacher.
2 pictures. Do me a favor, stand right here, right in front of the bench.
With the pictures.
They go into our system, okay? It's
so
your
who
mugshot.
can we have record of that?
The police department.
Okay, so what about
agency.
jobs?
Jobs will not see your mugshot. I don't think.
I mean, this is very important, guys. Like, you're arrested. Like, seriously.
Well, we still have to take pictures of you.
We have.
You
So
can't-
what?
you
I'm
can't-
just saying, like,
You can't leave until we
please
do this.
remember, like, this is, like,
Okay.
really?
Okay.
The faster we do this,
I know, but I need to know the repercussions. Like, I can't have people looking this up. I can't have people searching for me and finding this information.
well, people can search up anything.
They don't need to be searching up
It's not going
mugshots.
to be in the water, in the Lake Forest.
No, I'm talking about my school district. Can they look this up?
They're
This
not
is
gonna
very
know.
important. I don't need to be fired because I went out and
I
had
don't
some
know if
wine
they can look. I don't
for
think
like a
they can this.
basketball tournament. Like, let's be real, people. Do you want to lose your job? You never go out and have drink with
If
drinks
we
with
were
your friends?
drinking, if I'm telling you right now, if any one of us got arrested for DUI, we'd probably get fired.
Okay, well,
So,
you have chosen the profession of being police
and
officers.
we're police officers, so you bet, if I got arrested by another agency, let's say by Libertyville, they would call my PD and tell them what happened.
Well, they might, or they might not.
No, they will.
Because you don't like the
They
bro
will.
code.
They will.
I'm just saying,
So Becky,
I cannot have people looking this up.
Becky, let's take your photograph.
Well, that's
No,
not.
I'm
That's,
not doing a
that's not.
photograph.
Well,
You
then
have
can't
to.
leave until,
Yeah.
You're not
I'm just
leaving.
saying, you're not being honest with me. Who's looking this up? So like
No,
my
who's
school
looking this
district
up?
looks this up tomorrow, like my mugshot somewhere? Like, come
We're
on.
not even gonna notify your school district.
Well, what if they look it up?
Anybody can look
Why
up
would they-
anything.
why would they
Anybody can
look it up?
FOIA anything.
Why would they have a reason to just Google you?
I don't know. Anybody can like Google you or FOIA you or do whatever you want. I mean, like, come on, people.
Yeah, but why would they get that idea in their head? They have no idea what's going on right now. So unless you tell them,
No,
I'm not
I
gonna
know.
tell them.
I'm just saying, like, this is crazy. Like,
Well, the sooner
I
you
hope
cooperate,
that you
the sooner
guys-
you get to leave.
let me ask you a question.
What's up?
I hope that you guys go home tonight and can rest your head on the pillow feeling that you did the right thing.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of times when I go home from my students feeling like, and I rest my head on the pillow for this. And I don't think you can.
I can can tell you right now, I'm gonna say just fine knowing
No.
that I prevented a DUI
You
driver.
didn't! I was 1
And
minute
it's
from my
my
house! You are at a-hole status right now. Seriously, you know that. I was 1 minute from my house. I'm sorry. I really don't think I crossed the line. I passed all your tests. You're bringing me in. Like, come on. Right. Write it down. Now I'm going to get, like, you didn't accommodate. Let's go. I would like to go home.
Okay,
You want me to do that or no?
hang on, let me do a photo. Okay, look up at the camera. Up, please look up at the camera.
Next, it's reading time for Becky when the officer recites her Miranda rights.
All right, I'm going to ask you some questions, but I'm going to read you your Miranda rights first, okay?
Yeah, great. I know the Miranda rights. My last name's Miranda.
Okay.
Awesome. I'm great.
All right, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have one present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand?
So why are we doing this now? You already cuffed me on the road.
I'd like to ask you
So
further
why are we
questions.
doing this post?
I'd like to ask you questions.
About what? What are we asking questions about? Aren't we done?
No, I'd like to ask you further questions. Do you understand your rights?
I guess. I don't understand why
Can you
we're
sign saying that
further-
you understand that I read you your rights?
Shouldn't you have read me my rights on the road when you cuffed me?
You were under arrest.
Right, so why didn't you read me the Miranda rights on the road? Why you read me
Before I cuffed you?
now?
Before I cuffed you?
Yeah, why
Because you weren't
read
under
me
arrest.
to me
You
post?
weren't under arrest before that.
So why are we doing this now?
Because you are under arrest and I want to ask you questions.
Why?
Because I would like to ask you questions.
But why am I under arrest at this point? I don't understand.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Why am I under arrest now after I've already been cuffed 2 times, taken to Lake Bluff, and now I'm back?
Yeah, you bet. Once I put handcuffs on you on the road, that's when you were placed under arrest.
Police go over some basic questions before giving Becky some follow-up instructions that she appears to have a hard time comprehending.
Okay, I have to have my car, so should my husband bring $500 right now?
Well, you're not gonna get you can't get your car for another 12 hours.
Yeah.
I get that, but in 12 hours I will have my car.
Well,
So when can I pay
he has
the
to come tomorrow
$500?
morning when records is
You have to
here.
come tomorrow morning.
Why can he come? Why can't we pay the
Because
$500
records is
now?
not here. They work tomorrow morning. So with that being said, I need you to sign.
I have to have
this.
my car
Okay, I understand.
by tomorrow. I mean, please,
You
people.
can get it tomorrow.
I have children. I have commitments. This is ridiculous.
I understand that.
So what am I signing now?
This is for your vehicles being impounded.
Okay, but I have to have my car
You can get it
by
tomorrow. Yes, you can get it tomorrow.
But my husband's going out of town, so how am I going to come here and pay the $500 before I go to work? And then what?
All right,
And then you get.
we'll ask our supervisor if your husband can pay the $500 tonight, but you still can't get your car until 12
That's
hours
fine.
have passed.
I can get my car tomorrow after I go to work because I'm teaching the youth
Yeah.
of America. Thank God I'm getting arrested tonight. This is so
$12
wonderful.
from the-
And then
the stop.
where I want a specific address as to where my car is.
Yeah, we will give you a business card.
Yeah. So yeah, you'll get everything. This is where your car's gonna be. We'll give it with all your paperwork, okay?
So I need you to sign saying that you understand that your vehicle is being impounded. And we'll give you a paper that.
Okay, so what does that
Later, yeah.
mean? They have my car?
So they have your
They're
car.
not doing anything with my car?
No. So you have to come here, pay the fine, and then we contact Ernie saying we can release the car to you. You go over there and pick up the car.
Okay, so if we pay the fine tonight, how are we paying that?
I don't know. we have to
Cash,
talk to my
credit card,
supervisor.
whatever? Let's talk to your supervisor.
I will
need
once
to
we get this done.
worked out.
Yep.
Becky is booked for DUI and improper lane usage before she's escorted out of the police station.
So where am I going to pay this
To your
tomorrow?
left. I'll show you.
Because I don't want any problems.
So you can come in here to the front door and ask.
And
them.
who's going to be here at 6 in the
Well,
morning?
you pick up that phone. If the
And
records-
somebody's going to be here at 6 in the morning for me to pay $500.
Huh?
No, it needs to be at 6 in the morning. Who's going to be here?
My supervisor said he can come at 6 o'clock.
And somebody's going to be here.
He will be
today.
here, yes.
Okay. We will be here.
All right?
To pay our $500 cash.
All right. You too.
It's 8 p.m. in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where police respond to a suspected drunk driving crash that has left one person fighting for their life.
Hey, is anybody in here? Where are the people? There's nobody in that car. Who was in that car? You two were in that car?
You two are in that car.
Are you okay?
He's not okay.
He's not okay.
He is not okay.
And I have a...
What's going on?
He's struggling to breathe. Well, he's
struggling to
Okay,
breathe.
why don't you sit down here real quick, okay? You're struggling to breathe?
I got some pain right here.
Okay. Okay. You have any? What happened?
I don't know.
Who was driving? You were driving? Okay. What all happened here?
I don't know. I crossed the intersection.
Hey, you want to get a rescue over here as well? He's having trouble breathing. So you were driving?
Nope.
I was driving.
Don't say anything more than that.
I was driving.
Yeah, you're driving.
Okay.
I have some pain right here on the
I
ribs.
need to make sure this guy's okay.
You don't. You need to stay over here.
Police identify the suspect seen here as 51-year-old Rebecca Solomon, a now former elementary school associate principal, and her husband, who says he was her passenger at the time of the crash.
They're taking care of him.
What's going on? Just stay here. I get it.
Pain right here.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. I will help you find your phone.
Don't say. I don't know what.
Let's just get your husband taken care
I
of.
just want you to be okay, and I want him to be okay.
Well, you can't do anything about that. He's in really good hands right now.
Where were you guys coming from?
We were coming from that direction.
I need.
What do you need?
I just need to walk. I need to breathe.
Okay, well you need to stay here. I need you to stay here, okay?
You can't tell me.
breathe.
You can't tell me.
You can breathe if you're standing. I need you to stay here.
You
All
can't.
right.
I have
There's
to breathe.
something's wrong.
Okay, I understand that. We're working on him first, okay?
Yeah. I don't need. Let me breathe for a minute.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, is he okay?
We don't know right now.
my
So
gosh.
what happened? Where were you coming from?
I was coming from that
You were
direction.
coming. Enough out of you.
Yeah.
So.
Enough out of you. Do you want to knock it off? Knock it off.
He's okay.
Stop. Back up. Stay back. Knock it off. What is going on?
I haven't done anything. I just got in a car wreck.
I came from Lucky Shot.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Yeah.
I didn't.
You're done. Cut it out.
He's hurt. He's hurt.
I didn't do anything.
He's
I was
hurt.
in
He
a
can't
car
breathe.
wreck.
He can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
I'm the one.
469 County. We have one detained.
I drove.
Come back here.
Why are you guys?
Why are you
I'm gonna get
Stand right here.
out of here.
Okay. What's going on?
I came through that from that direction.
Okay.
From Lucky
You stop at the
Shot.
stop sign?
I did stop at the stop sign. And
So
then
what
I
happened?
Came through, and my car ran into me. And that's the thing.
So he was going. So you were.
He was coming this way. I was coming this way.
Okay.
I stopped at the stop sign. He came this way. And,
So where?
And that's my car.
Okay.
But
How much have you had to drink today?
I had a few drinks at Lucky Shots.
Okay. And you were driving?
Yeah, I was driving.
Okay.
I want to make sure that guy is okay.
We don't
My
know if
hus-
he's okay.
I know. And that's my biggest concern.
Okay.
My husband also can't breathe.
Okay. Yeah. They're going to be checking. They're going to be checking him out in a minute.
I just want to, he can't.
Were you? When did you get here?
Right after it happened.
Who was in the driver's seat of that car?
Don't know. They were both there. I went to that car first. I did not see them get out of that car. I understand your question, but I saw that guy slouched over and I was there first.
I'm trying to figure out what happened with this investigation, and you were starting to square up on me. That's what's going on. I need to know what happened so we can figure out what's going on here tonight. I don't need you squaring up on me when I'm doing a crash investigation. Do you understand? That's all I'm going to say to you right now.
Investigators said Rebecca allegedly failed to yield at an intersection, causing the crash that left the other driver, identified as Dave Cornea, hospitalized for 5 days before he reportedly passed away.
So now he's saying, the woman's saying she was driving that car, and this is the guy that's a passenger, her husband.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
I was being responsible.
She's,
She might be 5'5".
yeah.
She didn't drink my...
I'm going to get some pics real quick of everything. So,
This is...
that's him. Okay. Did you this way, going eastbound? She said she stopped and made it through the intersection, and in the middle of the intersection is when this car going south T-boned her in the intersection. But I'm not sure where impact happened.
Yeah, I don't know where it happened. It had to be right in the middle.
But I was trying to, Sarge, I was trying to talk to her about what happened, and he started to square up on me and said, don't say anything, don't say anything. And that's when he like cocked his fist back a little bit, and I was like, no, we're not playing this.
Okay.
I don't understand why I'm arrested.
He had a 32 on?
Yes. Yeah. Finley pulled it off him.
Okay.
He said he's got a CCW, but he's moving too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right here, but...
So she's the one driving it.
Yeah. Ten-4, thank you. Okay. So you said you were coming from Lucky Shots.
Yeah.
Okay. You were coming eastbound on Rusco here.
I'm sorry, I don't know if it's eastbound.
Yep, that way eastbound.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you stop at the intersection?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Stopped at the intersection. You started going through.
Yeah.
And then he hit. Where about in the intersection did he hit you?
Like right dead center.
Okay.
And that's when I ran right into
Trying to find out more.
the side.
Okay.
Hey, can you guys stop sweeping?
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, we might need Okay, so.
My dog is sick.
Okay, how much have you had to drink today?
I've had a couple of drinks.
Okay, what is
I've
it?
had a few drinks.
Okay, what's a few? It's different for everybody.
Drinks. I've had 3 drinks.
3 drinks?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of drinks? Beers, wine?
And margarita.
3 margaritas?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I kept pouring like soda water.
And we're sticking with the story you were driving.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I
You
was
100%
driving.
were driving.
I was 100% driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I was 100% driving. My husband Adam, he can't breathe.
I know.
He-
They have.
Right immediately he said he wasn't able to breathe, and then that guy wasn't moving.
Okay. Yep. Okay. So.
I kept pouring soda water in my drink.
Okay.
So I had drinks, but I kept pouring water in my drink. My dog's also sick. If I can call my parents so they can go to my house to get my dog.
We'll be able to deal with that in a minute. We have a couple other things we need to deal with first, though. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think it needs to be recorded?
I'm the one that was driving.
Rebecca admits to having at least 3 margaritas at a bar before the crash. Next, officers decide to put her through field sobriety tests. Let's see how she does.
So because you had some stuff to drink tonight, okay, you kind of slurring your words a little bit, your eyes are a little bloodshot and glassy, and the crash that occurred, I want to put you through some standardized field sobriety tests. Would you be willing to do those?
Yeah, I prefer to get blood
Well, we'll talk about that later, but I need to run you through some tests first, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't we, hey, Sarge, I'm gonna run her through SFSTs quick. I'm just gonna probably do them back here real fast, okay? Okay. You just wanna stand by with me? Okay. All right, let's go back here in the back of this car. You can put your you can put your purse down. Okay, that's all right. Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
No.
No guns, I saw a CCW in there for you.
Yeah, I do have a.
You don't have a gun on you though?
I do not have a
Okay.
concealed, no.
Do you mind if I search you real quick, just to make sure?
Yeah.
So you said you had 3 margaritas, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I kept filling my third with soda water.
Okay. So I have a couple other questions before we start, okay? So what time did you get to Lucky Shots?
It was at the Packer game, so 3:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from 3:30 until the crash occurred, you only had 3 drinks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I kept filling my third drink with soda water.
Yeah. You can grab mine real quick, I'll unlock my squad. Okay. So at like 3:15, or the game started at 3:15, so did you get there for the start of the game?
We got there right at the start of the
Okay,
game.
so you got to Lucky Shots at like 3:15.
Yeah. Or I mean, yeah, 3:15.
Sure. Okay. And then what time did you leave Lucky Shots?
I mean, we just left, so.
So roughly shortly before, like to get over, it's not that far away, right? So
Yeah, like-
do you have an estimated time when you left at all?
It was a little after the game ended.
Okay.
It was a little after.
A little after the game ended?
Yeah. I mean, we stayed and talked a little bit, and then we left. But we
Okay.
knew we had to get home because of my dog needed antibiotics.
I got you. And we'll figure that, and I promise you we'll be able to make phone calls and figure out that, okay? First test I'm going to have you do, it's going to be a test of your eyes, okay? So all I need you to do, see what color this pen is?
Red.
Red? Okay. So I need you to do is follow this pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I need you to do is stand with your feet together with your arms down at your sides. Just get your toes together. I know it seems kind of tedious, but we have to run them a specific way. And just stand like that and then follow the pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Mm-hmm.
469 County, I'll be on field. And then with your right foot, stand in front of it, standing heel to toe. Okay, so left foot on that line, and then put your right foot in front of it, standing heel to toe.
Wait, am I going on that line?
Nope,
or
just an imaginary line in front of you.
And where am I going?
Right now, I'm just trying to get you into the starting stance. So left foot on that imaginary line with the right foot in front of it, standing heel to toe.
I don't know if I could do that sober. Okay.
Okay, so can you switch your feet for me? Left foot with your right foot in front, okay? Now you're gonna stay like this while I'm explaining this test to you, okay? So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be taking a series of 9 heel to toe steps down that line. All right, you can begin. Count out loud.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, all right, you can turn and face me again. Okay. All right, next test is gonna be a test of, it's a balancing test, okay?
1, 2,
Look at your lead foot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Keep doing it, keep going until you, keep going. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Okay, you can stop. All right, here's a,
I grabbed mine because I don't even know your car.
that's all right. You have a gray one or you have a?
Yeah, gray.
Okay. All right, so this last part is going to be a PBT, okay?
What's a PBT?
It's just a breathalyzer. It's not admissible in court. It's just a gauge to see where you're at, okay?
No, I refuse.
You're not going to be taking it?
Blood test. Yeah.
Okay. You can turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're going to be placed under arrest for operating while under the influence. At this point, I believe it's causing great bodily harm, but we will determine what that's going to be when that actually gets figured out.
My husband, where's my husband?
I don't know. right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go back to my squad car, and then I have a form I'm gonna read to you, okay? Sir, do you need anything from her? Yep. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, sir. I was just marking you guys. Okay. All right, let's.
Such as what?
Like, I feel like I'm missing my phone, I'm missing my driver's license, I'm missing...
I have your driver's license. Is your phone in your purse?
No, it's not in my purse.
Do you mind if we...
I'll look for it.
Yep, we'll look for it.
Rebecca initially refuses a portable breathalyzer test and is placed under arrest for OWI days before the accident turns deadly.
On their way to Milwaukee.
Can you tell me, is this...
So this will be...
guy doing?
He's currently on his way to Milwaukee, Maine, because it's not looking good.
One partial witness right now. Peter's getting a statement from him.
Okay.
Not even really a good one, but
the only. Okay. All right, we're just gonna go around to my passenger side. I know I already searched you once, but now that you're under arrest, I'm going to put you in my car. I'm just going to make sure you still don't have any weapons on you, anything like that?
No.
Okay. 6 of 6, many in walk and turn, many in one leg stand. So what we normally do in these situations is after I read you a form, we're going to have we would like a drug recognition expert to come out, and he's going to run some more tests with you. Is that, you don't have to do these, but it would be is it something you'd be willing to do?
I guess I would like my lawyer, I guess.
Well, right now we're not really getting into the lawyer part. This is purely up to you. You don't have to do them. This is one of our DREs here. He runs them. It's literally just this test for the state. It doesn't hurt process. It's just another test that we like to run. If you would be willing to do one, we'll have one there with us. If you don't want to do one, we don't need one. So it's up to you. I'll let you think about it. We can talk about it in a minute, okay? All right. Why don't you?
I have 3 deputies available. Just make sure there's no green here. Good. Out of your door.
You need anything else from me? I don't think so. Okay, I'm gonna take her up. So get plugged real quick. What does he want? Why is he tapping on the window?
He's just obnoxious.
Okay.
Broken record. Same bull.
Okay.
It's not illegal to have a gun when you're drunk.
No, it's not. Since when is this in America, right?
Yeah, America.
Next, Rebecca's taken to a hospital for further testing.
We'll figure it out later, okay? We'll make sure someone gets over to your house, okay? Is it just your dogs at your house? Or do you have any kids at home?
It is, I know. I know it sounds silly.
It's not silly.
It's not anything compared to what that guy's going through in Milwaukee. Or my husband. I'm just so ashamed right now. I just need your mom and dad to know.
Okay. Your husband's okay. He's okay. He's getting checked out in the ED right now, but he's okay.
Okay, miss, so my name's Deputy Kid. I'm from the Sheriff's Office, okay? But I was not there. I don't know what happened exactly. I'm not investigating the crash or anything like that. But I'm a drug recognition expert, so I'm just here to rule out any sort of drug impairment or anything like that. So what I'm going to have you do is blow into this PBT, okay? And then when it beeps, that's all I need you to do, okay? Keep going, 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 keep going. All right, thank you.
Here, the former associate principal complies with a breathalyzer test that, according to a criminal complaint, registered as a .109 blood alcohol level.
Here at the call. So I do this thing, it's called drug recognition experts. It's fancy, I just do evaluations to see if you're under the influence of drugs. Okay, so is that something you'd be willing to do? It's about 45 minutes. It's consensual, and yeah, it's about 45 minutes.
Am I under arrest?
You are under arrest.
Okay, so I haven't been given my rights, and I would prefer if I can...
We haven't asked you any incriminating questions at this point. So we're just doing evidence collection right now. But I am actually about to read you your rights if you would agree to this text.
I would, no, I'm gonna.
Okay.
If you read me my rights, I'm gonna ask for a lawyer.
Okay. So I'm just gonna have you blow into this PPT. We'll read the rights here. There's a bunch of questions here. If you want to learn, then we're not gonna ask all those questions. Okay, fair enough? Okay, go ahead.
Is that optional?
You can refuse it if you would like to.
What are the implications of that?
Well, you're gonna be the one that has to go to court and explain to a judge why you were uncooperative with the police.
I'm not trying to be uncooperative, but
I'm just saying. I'm just answering your question.
You haven't read me my rights. You haven't.
Yep. Well, this isn't TV,
And if
right?
you said I'm under arrest, then you should.
Then what do I have to do?
Then you should read me my
When?
rights.
When?
If I'm under arrest.
When do I read your rights when you're under arrest?
I'm not sure, and that's why
Okay.
I need
See,
to
that's
consult a lawyer.
Yeah, that's fair. But I'm just telling you, it's not like some sort of malpractice happened here.
I don't think that's so. I am a big supporter of the police and.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I'm just.
Supporter of the police. I just also need to protect myself.
Absolutely, and this is the United States. That's the beauty of America, right?
I would prefer to have a lawyer. I want to be talkative, but I want to have a lawyer
To protect yourself. Yeah, absolutely. That's the purpose.
Eventually, Rebecca agrees to undergo further testing and is taken to another room where she again completes field sobriety tests before one officer fills her in on the victim's condition.
All done with his portion of it, okay? You've been cooperative with me so far, okay? But I'll put handcuffs in front of you, okay? But right now we're gonna go up to the jail, okay? All right. So just put your hands up. What's that? So I'm gonna let you know, as of right now, the other individual in the car, the guy in the other car, he is still alive. However, he does have pretty significant injuries. I wasn't able to get a list of what his injuries are right now. But right now, so it's going to be the OWI citation. It's going to be an OWI causing injury citation, and then a failure to yield causing injury as well. Okay? Stuff may change depending on his status, okay? But that's what we're going with at the moment, okay? Do you have any questions on anything right now? Okay. Zucker, do you mind grabbing her? I'm gonna grab my stuff.
Rebecca's charge was later upgraded to homicide by intoxicated use of a vehicle. Court records show she pleaded no contest to the charge and was sentenced to 6 years behind bars, followed by 3 years of extended supervision. Subscribe now for easier access to the latest from Law&Crime Bodycam. It's 9 p.m. in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where officers involved in a sting operation prepare to confront a middle school teacher.
Targets. He said it's a decoy outside, but I think that's our best we're sneaking. Yeah, let's just take it. Go. Let's go. Wait, let's see your hands. Let me see your hands. Get down on the ground. Get on the ground.
Police identify the suspect seen here as 51-year-old Stephen Phillips, a longtime PE teacher who investigators said chatted online with an undercover agent before arriving to the home, where he allegedly arranged to meet with who he thought was a 12-year-old girl.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Go on your stomach. 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 Oh my God. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased if you don't stop. Give me a hand. I got one hand. Good. Cut. Good. You got left. All right. Other side. We're good, guys. All right. Do you have any weapons on you, sir? On count of three, we're gonna lift you up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Check down this side. Jesus, down a ton of stuff. Do you guys have a flashlight?
Yeah, I got one. Oh, no, I left it inside.
It's my wallet.
This is quick.
Where'd you park your car, sir?
Where's your car, sir?
You need to drive.
What kind of car is it?
You need to follow.
Get some close. Yeah. We just around the corner? Right from where you walked from?
Next, Stephen is escorted inside the home, where investigators have plenty of questions for him.
Joe, when you're looking at a man who just lost his life.
Yeah.
Right? You're looking at a man who just worked at his career for a long time. And I was so torn when somebody just messages me, hey, you want to come? And I'm like, what the f is this? This cannot be true, cannot be. And then you just want to, like, you almost want to witness to see if it's out there, right? One, this is not me, this is not my character. But apparently it is because I'm here. That right here, this is something I went out to live with for the rest of my life. And in this pain and torment that I put myself through right now, and all the times just of driving over here, like, what the f are you doing? This is just ridiculous. This is not who you are or what you're about. And hundreds of parents who look up to me, right? And I've never in a million years even have made a move or have done anything on any girls. That's I know that for a fact. I'm a genuine professional, and then this curiosity got the best of me. Even knowing when I'm driving over you, like your gut, like, dude, this not even. And it has nothing to do with probably getting caught. It has to do with like what is. Anyway, it doesn't matter, gentlemen. I'm just completely embarrassed and completely.
Police said an undercover agent responded to one of Stephen's postings on a fetish website, posing as a father with bad intentions. That's when court documents show the 51-year-old middle school teacher allegedly took the bait and showed up to the home, despite acknowledging the decoy child's age and criminal nature of the idea. Next, the detective reads Stephen his Miranda rights before questioning him further.
And having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk with us?
Just a very honest and open man. Again, I think talking to a lawyer would be my best bet.
Would you like to talk to a lawyer before you talk to us?
Yeah, I mean, I got really nothing to hide at this point. And like I said, you're looking at a man who's.
Okay.
All right, ask some questions.
So tell me how all this started. You everything's led you to here tonight.
Here tonight, I have an account, and I've had an account for probably about 10 years, and on that site, I post for, and I've had you have baby girls, like you have girls that you spoil. And so that's I posted on that, right, and then I've been doing that for years. You get hits, you see a couple girls, and then tonight, I get a message from whoever saying I'm in the taboo. And then again, it's not. You can look at my site. I'm not into any of those things. It's not anything that really, other than just like a. So yeah, he messaged me. He said, "You want to come, my daughter, right?" And I was like, "It's just super." Again, you don't get somebody saying, "Hey, you want to my daughter," right? First response would be like, "What the fuck up, dude? Just You're like, what do you, right? Then you're like, so what time? So man, I was just curious what you got, but what do you, yeah. He reached out to me, asked if I wanted to have sex with his daughter. I was like, at first, there was no age, and then he said the age, it said 12. I was like, what the right?
And so you must have expressed interest, right? Because that's why you're here.
Oh yeah. We know, of course.
So you must have said yes. Would that be fair to say?
Well, yeah, I'm here, right? Yeah. So that's an obvious thing, right? I wasn't coerced to being here. I wasn't bribed to come here. After me, like, no, I don't want to come. Yeah, I was like, this makes no sense. I stayed in my car for a long time, and then, yeah, just,
Okay. So, did you offer anything? Money? This?
No, I said, do I need to bring anything? He said, bring a toy.
Bring a toy?
I was like, all right, I'll bring a toy.
Did you already have this, or was this new?
Yeah, I had that. That's
Police said Stephen was one of 8 others nabbed in part of a month-long operation targeting child predators online, dubbed Operation Overwatch, and he didn't show up empty-handed. Stephen allegedly brought an adult toy to the meetup that next he tries to explain away.
What did you say that you wanted to do to his daughter?
I didn't say what I wanted to do. I just asked him what do you want done? What is your, like, that was my first thing, is like, what are you into this for? Like,
Okay, but it would be safe to say that you brought this for her?
for him. He asked to bring a toy.
Okay. But you aren't going to use this on him, right? That wasn't part of the arrangement?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's just very simple as that. We'll come after my daughter. I don't know what is this about. Again, curiosity. And then yeah.
But we can both agree that you were here to have with his daughter, is that right?
No.
No? So what were you doing there?
I don't really know. Right? Like I already know me. I probably would have seen the situation and just been like, what the sake for me, you guys. Enjoy your life. Right? Just to see that it's real and that it's happening and that it's there, right? And then you know, that's kind of like when I'm looking, I'm like, yeah. Because that's a, yeah. That's how I see it. Like I wasn't like, yeah, I want to come have with this girl. I was like, what the fuck is all this? Like you wanted to see, is the girl happy? Is this what she wants? Is this what she, like, how is the situation even possible? You know, and then so you're asked to come to somebody's house, bring a toy. And I was like, oh, fuck, all right, there's a toy, but it's like I said, yeah, just more inquisitive about like what the is going through a mind like that. Sit down next to it, talk to it, look at like, and then you have ultimate perspective in that way, right? Like, and it's I'm not justifying anything that I did at all, but my intention wasn't to come over here and have with a girl, a young girl. It was to see the situation.
Steven says he had no intention of carrying out plans made in the chat, but investigators aren't exactly buying his story.
So, you were concerned for her, the girl?
Yeah. Well, is that like is this what she wants? This was one of the questions. Does this make her happy? Like, is this what she is? How does this happen? Right? At one, it just happens because it's a made up story. You just believed it, right? And so this is just so.
Well, it does happen. But you thought, hey, I'll go to this strange man's house at 9 o'clock at night instead of calling the cops?
Yeah, right. That's.
Do you see why that line of reasoning doesn't track for me, right? So we were doing really good. You were being super honest with me, but I wanted to go check on her, so I went to a strange man's house alone at night instead of calling the police.
Yeah.
That doesn't. I can buy that.
I wasn't saying I was going to protect her. I was going to see the situation. Right? It wasn't to protect anybody, deceive anybody, to save me. It was to come check out the situation, see what it's about. At a certain point, you could even, I was like, dude, why are you doing yourself out there? You don't know what type of person I am. If you see abuse, you see abandonment, you see neglect, right? And yeah, that was definitely a thought in my mind. Was just turn this in. But what if it's?
All right. So, want some more?
No, sir. Start get demoralizing.
Okay. All right, so there's nothing I can do about this hitting the papers, right? I have to push it out for a little while. But that's the best I can do. The press has rights to. So when you still let's hit the paper, am I gonna have other people contacting me saying that something they Steven may have made an inappropriate comment to me, touched me, stuff like that? No? 100%?
Next, detectives dig in for more information on Steven's line of work, where he says he spent at least a decade teaching physical education to students in grades kindergarten through 8th.
I can't. This is not something that I have. My most favorite part of the day is going to school and greeting these kids, and then I've been at this school for 10 years, and I've been the heart of the school. And then now for me to mess that up and then for that to be spread and for those kids to just hear this, right? For my daughter to hear this, absolutely devastating.
What is that like? So every day you're kind of just, you're going to school, you're teaching kids, that type of thing?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good then. I'm a little, maybe you can help me understand, because, I don't have a master's degree, I can tell you that. But as far as, I'm from Albuquerque, I was educated in the APS school system. What does it mean, like, when you say, like, that you come here to observe? I don't want to, can you help me understand that? You said you came here to just take it in, and I just need some help understanding that.
It's not easy to explain, so it's not easy to my head, so it's not easy to express. So
maybe I can help clarify that question a little bit if you don't mind. So, do you have any type of fetishes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it? What are your fetishes?
Yeah, it's not nothing. I don't have extreme fetishes. So this fetish right here.
I never said you did. Like I'm just.
Well, I know. What I'm trying to have you do is visualize. It's just very kind of vanilla across the board. When basic fetish would be rough slaps. You know.
Gotcha. So
like
it's a pretty normal stuff then.
Very normal
Yeah.
stuff. Yes.
Okay.
This outside of normal. Outside of normal. Outside of anything that I would even do. So it's like, what type of individual is doing that?
Doing what?
Soliciting on his daughter.
You know,
and actually, it doesn't matter. Like it's a very basic fetishes. I just want a baby girl to spoil, buy you some toys. Let's go out to eat. Let's go out to a dinner. Let's go to a show. And then have some good. Right? It's very simple. And then posting this baby girl thing, this guy comes with this taboo thing, which is again outside of anything that I do or what I talk about or what type of conversations I have on essay.
Now, investigators turn their focus towards Stephen's alarming possession.
So, as far as toys, like what does that mean to you? What is that? We haven't opened the box. So I don't. What is that to you? Is it a vibrator? It looks like a vibrator to me, or just something else.
Gentlemen, it says on the box, and it says in the box. You can open up the box. You can look in the box. I don't know what you want me to explain. It's a toy that vibrates and has 10 different modes. Okay. It's water resistant, has a little flip and flap in there that'll go against, right? It's a toy with multiple functions. What else do you want me to explain about it?
No, I appreciate that. That helps clarify a lot. So were you going to use it on yourself?
No. The very last thing I said, hey,
please don't get frustrated because I haven't seen the chats. You know what I mean? So
I get this. I understand that. All right. But no, that was not. The guy said, "Hey, whoever that was doesn't. Again, none of this matters. It's a nightmare."
Okay. So you're saying someone messaged you about it?
Yeah. So he's like, "Hey, what do you need me to bring? Bring a toy." It's like when you come to somebody's house, bring a gift. It's a gift. So what do you want? What do you want when I come over to your house?
But who is your gift for?
For him. Who asked for it? He asked for the gift.
Okay. Did he say what he was going to do with the gift?
No.
No? Okay. Have you ever, were you planning, having some type of sexual intercourse with this toy with the guy? With the dad?
No.
Okay. I'm just confused because, again, I'm just trying to understand this. So you're telling me that you brought the toy for a girl and it's to make her... Right. So
listen, I love all these leading questions, all right, and I love what we're trying to do here, and I get it, and all right. So this right here was bought for another girl in another situation. She left my house, left it. You want me to bring anything? Bring a toy. Right.
Stephen was booked for charges relating to child sexual exploitation and prostitution.
This is rock bottom, Jim. You don't understand.
No, I'm
a year away from retiring, and then just for anybody to have so the story comes out, right? Then there's just going to be the whole, it's going to bring the school down, and that's what I witnessed, and that's what I want to feel, and all because
Can I just stop you real quick? Because none of us are going to go call the news right now and say, hey, guess what? I've never even heard of this school. I don't care that you're a teacher. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't care that you're a teacher. You think you're building this up in your own head?
Oh, no. Listen, I'm thinking of the worst of the worst.
You're bringing this up.
Right now, I'm handcuffed, thirsty as shit. My blood sugar is high.
Would you like some more water? Yeah, okay, we're gonna get you some more water.
So, guys, put these forward.
Online records show the 51-year-old ultimately pleaded guilty to attempted human trafficking of a minor, while his remaining charge was dismissed. He was later released from jail and placed on probation. Subscribe now for easier access to the latest from Law&Crime Bodycam. It's just before 11 a.m. at a middle school in Barrytown, Vermont, when a school resource officer is waved into the principal's office, where one teacher is about to find herself in big trouble.
I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm such a bad person.
No, you're not a bad person. You made an unfortunate choice. You're not a bad person.
I'm such a... No. What have I done? My life. Oh my God.
So we've got 136. I'm going to write that down.
Police identify the woman seen here as 47-year-old Melissa Martin, a substitute teacher who allegedly just admitted to using cocaine after faculty said a student alerted them of her odd behavior.
Oxygen is 98%. I'm sorry, what was that? 98% oxygen.
No. Oh my God, I got it. I'm so sorry. I know. Oh my God, my family is gonna be so.
Now, so did she show up like
What?
this?
What have I done? Oh my God.
Are the kids in?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Let them get into the cafeteria, and then we are going into a clear the halls for the entire school. Okay? I don't know if the ambulance is
I'm already
there or
on it.
not.
I'm already on it. You also. Yep.
Oh my God.
Did you
Oh
guys already send
No,
one?
I'm going to tell you why. It's your privacy. So that the ambulance can come and make sure that you're okay. It's your privacy.
She's saying she doesn't need one right now, but
I want to go home. Oh my God.
send them anyways, and she can just decline them when they get here.
Like I have some.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Leave your coat here at school.
Jacket.
And did you use
And
it?
my
Are you guys okay? Did you use it at
No,
Let's
please
go.
help me. No, I haven't used it at school.
Where is her stuff?
She has cocaine in the building right now.
That's what I was curious
You're
about.
going. We're going. I
Well,
just want her not to.
there's no way she didn't do it here.
Yeah.
She sets on
No.
immediately.
Melissa is taken to an ambulance, while the officer follows a staff member to the classroom, where the suspect allegedly said she had cocaine stashed in her jacket.
Where is her stuff? Is it in the classroom?
Yeah.
Is she a teacher here? No. 575, 573. I'm gonna slide over here.
I don't know if this is her stuff or not. She said it's in her jacket. That's a jacket. I'm not going to touch it.
575, 573. I want to slide over here. Is this 100%
I'm
the
not.
right room?
It might not be. Just let me call.
I can have the canine come over and just do a sniff. Right,
Yeah,
right room.
That's 100% her stuff.
Hey, you want to slide over to the school and bring the code in? Teacher brought cocaine to school and is high right now. Yeah, I probably need to do a sniff on her stuff to take it. It's a chick and she's like visibly high. Like, she's in Erica Pearson's office, like tweaking right now. I'm in the classroom where supposedly she had the coke. I mean, she has it here. She didn't show up high. Like, she is like tweaking right now.
She told me it's in here.
Yeah, I'm
That's
sure.
enough for me to do it, right? Because I'm school.
I don't know about your policies, but legal standard. I mean, we'll probably charge her with something if.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure she has something. If she has something, we'll probably charge her. So we'll just wait until we get to see her with her dog and run the dog around it. I mean, I can also go ask her if she'll let us search. But
Next, a canine officer arrives to sniff out any potential drugs.
say?
trained drugs in here before.
The canine officer heads right to the desk area and signals that an odor of narcotics was detected, according to a police report.
Jesus, let go. Have some manners. Do you want to pull the backpack though and see if she hits on the coat too? She had said it's in the coat. Lakota.
That's right in the same spot. I mean,
And I think just based on her saying it's in the coat.
The odor's there anyway.
Okay, we'll just see all of her stuff then. She'll probably consent to it, but the essays, yeah, the essays want us to Mirandize her too. Did she tell you guys where she used, if it was the car in the building?
She ended up telling us. I mean, she tried to tell she told the EMTs again that she used it this morning, and he was like, no, when? And she just said, I don't know. And then he said, how much? She said, I don't know. But she said, I just kept putting it on my tongue. So she was rubbing it in her gums and her tongue.
Okay. I just want to make sure it wasn't like in a bathroom somewhere and then in the trash.
Well, or right here. She's just.
Yeah. It's kind of unbelievable that somebody would
I guess so.
have that nerve.
She did a good job. What was that? 35 seconds?
Oh, the students did? How did it come into you
She's
guys?
quick with it. She's always. She knows when she's working. It's like
something was reported, and I was face to face with Melissa, and I'm like, something's off, and I got.
And then I looked at her and said, what did you do?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the
was,
students, they weren't already out to recess at that point?
No, an 8th grade student on his way stopped in. He was getting ready. They were getting ready to go, and he literally said she's high. But he also comes from a background in which he would be able to identify that.
Okay.
That's wild,
isn't it?
And then when I saw her, it was obvious.
Oh, it's completely obvious.
Yeah.
And I knew that it wasn't. Actually, I kind of thought maybe she had taken meth, to be honest with you. But,
Yeah. Meth and coke are pretty similar, both stimulants.
No.
So.
Enough.
All right.
She's like,
Yeah, we'll head up to the hospital and we'll deal with her. And,
Thank you. We will probably wait till you guys get outside before we lift to clear the hall so that you guys can walk through.
You heard that right. A staff member said an 8th grade student told faculty that the substitute teacher was high before staff intervened. Next, one officer meets Melissa at the hospital, where she's not exactly calming down.
Which room is the teacher in who's brought in that's high? The teacher who's high. B0?
B0.
Thank you. Yep. It's over here, isn't it?
Oh, great. No, it's around the corner here.
Oh, awesome.
There you go.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Melissa, other than cocaine, have you used any other substances? Are you snorting or injecting?
Snorted. It's on my tongue.
Okay.
My boyfriend and I fighting. And he's like a narcissist. And he. I stayed up all night looking for an apartment.
How much cocaine do you think you're using every day?
I should never tried it ever. Tony is. It just numbs the pain. I'm worried about my kids. Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I don't want to hurt anybody. I don't want to let every. I can't look at my parents. I can't look at anybody. I'm so ashamed.
So Melissa, I'm here for our aspect of this and our investigation into this, obviously. So I do have a couple of questions for you based on that. So what exactly happened today? Will you tell me?
See, my finger is Dobby and cocaine staying awake during the night, looking for an apartment.
So I overheard you talking with a doctor. You said you were fighting with your boyfriend and up all night last night. So you were trying to stay awake today at school. Is that what was happening?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm tired.
Okay. And when at school and where in the school were you using the cocaine?
I didn't use it at the school,
Uh-huh.
in the school.
So, Melissa, I'm going to be honest with
I
you.
had it in my pocket, in my jacket.
Well, your jacket was in the school.
Right.
So, Melissa,
I wore my jacket into the school, but I didn't do any at school.
so there's still some in your jacket pocket?
It's, yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's where.
So, Melissa, I've been in law enforcement for a little while, and I've been around people who have used drugs for a while. I know cocaine hits you pretty quickly, and I know it usually wears off in a couple hours. It was around 11 o'clock when this happened. So if you showed up today at 8 o'clock, which is the normal start time for the school, you wouldn't be visibly high right now if you hadn't used at the school.
I swear to God, I
So
did not use at the school.
my assumption is the kids went out for a recess and lunch, and that's when it would have happened. Is that true?
No, they had, the 8th grade came in, and one of the boys said, Miss Melissa's high, or left it. No, a girl came back into the room and she goes,
Why are you
"So-"
twitching your feet like that? Can you try to stop doing that? Okay.
My legs go all the time.
So you said one of the 8th graders came into the room, or did they see you out in the hallway?
No, I had that class. I was teaching that class, and one of the girls that was in the class came back into the classroom, and she's like, so and so, the student's name, and she said he's a little snitch. And I said, what are we talking about? And she goes, he's saying that you're high. And I was like, what? And I'm guessing he's probably saying it because my feet and my legs go. I can't stop it. It does it when I'm not on anything.
Okay.
I can't.
So what time would you say you used cocaine this morning?
I used it before I got to school.
Before you got to school?
Yeah.
Okay, like out in your
Like-
car, out at home? Where'd you use it?
No, like, I had used it in my car before I got to school.
Is there any in your car?
No.
So you used it in your car and then you brought what you had left into the school?
Well, because I had it in my jacket pocket.
Okay.
And I had my jacket on, and I wore my jacket into the school, and
Okay. Where'd you get the cocaine from?
I found it.
You found it. Where'd you find it?
I don't want to discuss it. I'd like to not talk anymore.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So you don't have to talk other than answering this question. Frankly, you don't have to answer it. We're going to proceed irregardless. So where we're at right now is we brought a canine into that classroom. We ran the canine around your stuff. The canine hit on both your backpack and your jacket. So you can either consent to us searching your jacket and your backpack, or what's going to happen is we're going to take them back to the police department. We're going to write a search warrant, and a judge will make a determination as to whether or not to grant that search warrant for the backpack and the jacket.
You can search my backpack. There's nothing in it.
Okay, and can I search the jacket too? Okay.
Melissa gives the officer consent to search her belongings when he quickly finds a baggie of suspected cocaine in her jacket pocket. Investigators later tested the substance.
I think it couldn't get any more clear than that.
That indicated a presumptive positive for the presence of cocaine, according to police.
What are they gonna do to me? What's gonna happen
So-
to me? I'm upside
Melissa.
down. I don't wanna go to jail.
Melissa, you're here for help. The hospital's going to help you. So, based on the...
I'm sorry.
You're okay.
I'm trying to listen. I can't.
It's okay.
I'm scared.
So you're not going to jail right now. You're going to stay here. I'm going to walk out the door in a couple minutes. So you're here to get help first. You taking care of yourself is the priority. Melissa, that's for the best. If you're going through some stuff, you want you want to get help.
I can't barely look at you. I feel like such a piece of shit.
What do you say?
I thought somebody was already in here. Are they getting
She came in for just a minute, and I'll be out of here in like 2 seconds. She just told me to grab her. I just need to drop paper on her.
No worries. Okay. Do you want help sitting up more?
I'm sorry. I'm overwhelmed.
Do you guys have any rubber gloves I can toss this in?
I'm overwhelmed.
So, Melissa, I'm just going to issue this to you, and then I'm going to get out of here, okay? Is there anyone you want me to contact for you? Just let me... Okay, I wasn't sure if you had, like, family or something you wanted to...
I don't want to face my...
No, that's totally fine. I just wanted to make sure that you didn't want somebody to know you were up here, because I could do that for you if you need. But so,
We can also do it like later in a few hours or whatever.
Yeah.
Whenever. It's up to you when. It's pretty much up to you.
I'm not all messed up. Like, this is panic that's coming out. My legs are in panic.
So, Melissa, what this is the citation to court right here. It's going to be for next Thursday at 8:30 in the morning. You're going to be charged with reckless endangerment and cocaine possession. So, at the time of it, you're going to show up...
Reckless endangerment?
Reckless endangerment, and for bringing drugs into the school is what that is. It's reckless because if a kid gets possession of those drugs, the kid could have serious health complications for that. And the drugs were left unattended in the classroom. So that was the reckless nature of it. So if you don't show up at that time and date, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You do understand that? Okay, will you sign acknowledging that you understand that? Okay.
Oh my god. Wait, what date is it?
Next Thursday, October 9th.
Melissa was not taken into custody, but instead issued a citation for reckless endangerment and cocaine possession. At last check, she reportedly pleaded not guilty to the charges and is expected back in court later this year.
Something tells me she's not going to be substituting here again.
No.
Probably not anywhere. Yeah.